Good day to everyone. I'm Mom Jovi. In this video, I am going to discuss the function of typecasting in Java. In Java, typecasting is a method or process that converts a data type into another data type in both ways manually and automatically. The automatic conversion is done by the compiler, and manual conversion is performed by the programmer. There are two types of typecasting in Java. The first one is widening typecasting or implicit casting, and the other one is narrowing typecasting or explicit casting. Implicit casting. This type of conversion is also known as widening casting. It happens automatically when converting from a narrower range data type to a wider range data type. It also means converting a lower data type like int to a higher data type like double. Okay. Let us visualize typecasting using the scopes. So we have here 3 owns, 8 owns caps, next 12 owns, 16 owns, 20 owns, and 31 owns. Okay. Is there any leakage if we transfer the contents of 3 owns cap to 8 ounce cap? Okay, that's one. From 3 ounce to 8 ounce? Absolutely none, right? Because 8 ounce is greater than 3 ounce. Same as true with from 8 to 12, 12 to 16, 16 to 20, and then 20 to 31, or even from 3 to 31. Okay, next. In programming, if we convert byte to short, is there any data lost? Let's see, last one is a byte to short. Is there any data loss? Absolutely none, because short stores greater value than byte. Same as true with, let's say, from short to int to long, long to float, or even float to double. Or we could do it this way, from short to double. Okay, definitely there's no data loss. Okay, this is how implicit casting works. As mentioned a while ago, implicit casting automatically converts a narrow data type into a wider range data type. I am going to demonstrate how to use Notepad++ in creating a Java program. So let's go. Here, Notepad++, and then new. So public class typecasting demo. So typecasting demo is the class name, and then uh, public static void main string args. Okay, let's start from scratch. I'll be uploading a separate video class. Hello to my Acacia students. I will be uploading a separate video on how you're going to uh, set up Notepad++ so that you can run a Java program. Okay, so system that out that print ln. So typecasting. Okay, I'll just save this as typecasting.java. Copy file. Save. Okay. Yeah, it must be file. Okay lang naman. So save. I am going to look for the folder. Which will I save? I have a Java demo folder here, and then a typecasting folder. Here is the name with a .java extension. Save. And then If I am going to run the program, what I am going to do is just to hit F6 and press F6 and then okay, there you go. There is an error. It's okay. Public static because the letter T is double. Yeah, it's okay that I committed error because this will gonna teach us as well how to determine the error, and it's pointing to line 4. Yeah, it's very easy to correct now. So no need to go to console. Yeah, there you go. Let us save and rerun the program. F6. Hello world. Yeah, typecasting. Okay, hindi pala hello world. Typecasting. Okay, to continue. Okay, I'm going to continue the discussion. I'll be declaring a variable here byte score is equal to 10. And then I'll be applying implicit casting or widening. So it will become int total score is equal to score. And it's just like we convert. It's just like my demonstration a while ago that I am going to pour the content of a 3-ounce cup into an 8-ounce cup. So I'll just convert, I am just rather converting a byte data type into an int data type. Okay, so this is called implicit casting or widening. Save and run. So I'll be putting it here that the value of total score is, this is a string constant. So the value of total score is, and then we concatenate plus the value of total scores is the variable. I'll just naka-camel case. So this is total score. The naming convention, naka-camel case po siya. Okay? So, save natin. Let's save the program. Rerun. Hit F6. Yan. Okay. The output of line 9 is the value of total score is 10. Next. Okay. I'll be creating another example. Let's say I have here an int price is equal to 100, and then convert this into float is equals to suggested price is equal to price, and then I'll just copy everything, this one, put it here, and then the value of the variable suggested price. Okay, and then plus, okay, and then save, hit F6, and then run the program. There you go. Okay. You might be wondering, why is it there is 0? There is 0 because we converted the price into a float data type. That's why there is a decimal point. Okay, for my Acacia students, if you have questions, just write a comment and then I'll be answering it once I read the message. Explicit typecasting. This type of casting involves a data type of high range to a lower range. This process of conversion is also referred to as narrowing typecasting. Let us visualize typecasting using the caps. We have here 31 ounce cap, 20 ounce, 16 ounce, 12 ounce, 8 ounce, and then the 3 ounce cup. Is there any leakage if we transfer the contents of 31 ounce cup to 20 ounce cup? Okay, let's put some highlights. So pour this, pouring down. There you go. Definitely there is, because 31 ounce has greater content than 20 ohms, it will spill. Okay, same as through when you transfer 20 to 16, 16 to 12, 12 to 8, or 8 to 3. Or it could be from 31 to 12 ohms. In programming, if we convert float to int, this one, float converting to int, is there any data loss? Absolutely there is, because float stores greater value than int. Okay. Say same as true when you convert long to short, int to byte, float to byte, double to byte. Okay. This is how explicit casting works. The question here is, why do we need to use explicit casting? Okay. Explicit casting is somewhat useful for incompatible data types where automatic conversion cannot be done. Okay, let's say, for example, you are creating a program and then you need to create a computation in which they have varied data type. That's the time that we need to apply typecasting. I am going to demonstrate how to apply explicit casting. First, I'm going to declare this a variable float. Float, the data type is float. It must be small letter. Float price is equals to 99.75. And then what will I do is just display first this one. System that out that println, and then the value of price is plus sign concatenate price. Okay, now let's focus on this one, line 7. So this is float. If it is a float, we are going to suffix it with f. If it is double, we are going to suffix it with d. Okay, f, and then let's display. Let's just display the output. Save and then compile. Yan. Okay. Next, I will now apply explicit casting. Int total price is equal to price. Okay, so I will copy this one just to show you guys the difference right after I converted. Yeah, so the value of total price is total price. Paste and then paste. Save. F6. Okay. Now, if this one will appear, I'll just show you. If it is explicit casting, what you're going to do is like this. You put here, int. This is the new data type. And then this one. Yan. No, it's okay to commit error. Yan. Kasi the purpose is marunong magbasa ng error acacia at marunong mag-correct. Right? So, line 8, typecasting demo, incompatible, possible lossy conventions from float to int. Yes. Okay. And then, let us save and run the program. Okay. Yan. It will become 99. Okay, because the type of conversion we applied is explicit casting or narrowing. Yan. So, explicit casting or narrowing. Okay, I hope that you clearly understand how you are going to convert a particular data type
from one data type to another. So this type of conversion, this type of casting rather, is explicit casting.